How to make money with ChatGPT. Easy method. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, and ChatGPT is one of the most powerful tools for making money online. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, there are many ways to use ChatGPT to generate incomes. In this video, I will share easy method to make money with ChatGPT. You do not need any technical skills and you can start earning from anywhere in the world. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important information. Method 1 is freelance writing. ChatGPT can help you write high quality articles, blog posts, and content for businesses. Many companies need content for their website, and you can offer writing service on platforms like Fiverr, Upworks, and Freelancer. To get started, create a profile on these platforms, showcase some writing samples, and use ChatGPT to generate content quickly. You can take multiple projects and increase your income over time. Method 2 is AI powered blogging. Starting a blog is one of the best ways to earn passive income. ChatGPT can help you generate blog blog ideas, write SEO friendly articles, and even create engaging headlines. Once your blog starts getting traffic, you can monetize it with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and a sponsored post. The more content you publish, the more money you can make. And method third is YouTube automation. If you do not want to show your face, you can still make money on YouTube using ChatGPT. AI can help you generate video script, writing engaging description, and create catchy titles. You can use text to a speech software to turn the script into an audio format and create videos using a stock footage. Monetizing your YouTube channel through ad, a sponsorship, and affiliate marketing can generate significant incomes. Method 4 is affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can help you write product review, email sequence, and social media posts to promote affiliate product. Websites like Amazon Associate, ClickBank, and ShareSale allow you to earn commission by referring people to their products. You can use ChatGPT to create persuasive content and drive traffic to your affiliate links through blogs, YouTube video, or social media platforms. And method 5 is selling AI generated ebooks. Ebooks are a great source of passive income, and ChatGPT can help you write them quickly. Choose a topic that people are interested in, ask ChatGPT to generate content, and format the book using free tools like Canva or Google Docs. You can sell your ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindly, Gumroad, or your own website. With proper marketing, you can earn a steady income from book sales. Method 6 is AI powered social media management. Businesses need help managing their social media page, and ChatGPT can assist in creating posts, writing caption, and generating content ideas. You can offer social media management service to businesses and charge a monthly fee. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are always looking for engaging content, and ChatGPT can help you create it effectively or efficiently. And method 7 is online course creation. If you have expertise in a subject, you can use ChatGPT to create an online course. AI can help us structure lessons, write course material, and generate quizzes. You can sell your course on platforms like Udemy, Technable, or your own website. Once your course is live, it can generate passive income for years. And method 8 is AI chatbot development. Many businesses want to automate customer service using chatbot. You can use ChatGPT to create AI powered chatbot and sell them to companies. You don't need coding a skill to do this. Many platforms allow you to build AI chatbot with a simple drag and drop interface. By offering chatbot development service, you can charge businesses a one-time fee or a monthly subscription. Making money with ChatGPT is easier than ever. Whether you choose freelance writing, blogging, YouTube automation, or any other method, AI can help you work faster and more efficiently. The key is to take action. Start with one method, build your skills, and scale your earning over time. AI is the future, and those who use it wisely will have a huge advantage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which method you are going to try first.